हेलो दोस्तों, मैं ओमवीर। वेलकम बैक। ये हमारी बग बाउंटी रिपोर्ट राइटिंग का तीसरा पार्ट है। आज हम प्रोफेशनली लिखना सीखेंगे, मिटिगेशंस, फाइनल चेक्स और कैसे सिक्योरिटी टीम के साथ प्रोफेशनली रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करें। तो चलिए सीधा प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ों पर आते हैं। तो स्टेप 7, मिटिगेशन रिकमेंडेशंस। एज सिक्योरिटी रिसर्चर आपको प्रैक्टिकल मिटिगेशन सजेस्ट करना चाहिए, लेकिन सिर्फ तब जब आप रूट कोज समझते हो। अगर आपको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन डिटेल नहीं पता तो गिव ए सेफ और हाई लेवल रिकमेंडेशन। डायरेक्ट नोट ए फुल कोड पेज। एग्जांपल के लिए तो एनफोर्स सर्वर साइड ओनरशिप, चेक फॉर यूजर आईडी on all sensitive endpoints, validate and normalize input server side, never trust client parameters, or introduce rate limits, throttling on password change endpoints, and to a phase step of critical actions. A short note like suggested add server side ownership validation, consult product team for exact implementation, give direction without risking wrong technical advice. अगर आप आर्किटेक्चर या कोड बेस से अनजान है तो अवॉइड प्रिस्क्राइबिंग स्पेसिफिक कोड चेंजेस, रॉन्ग फिक्स सजेस्ट वेस्ट टाइम एंड क्रिएट फ्रिक्शन, पॉइंट ऑफ द रूट कोज एंड रिकमेंड मिटिगेशन पैटर्न्स इंस्टेड. Before submitting, do a quickly get reproduce your steps from scratch, run your POC, verify screenshot, and confirm any script and payloads. Run in safe test amount. Small mistakes, bad URLs, missing headers, or ambiguous steps often cause need more info triage. Let's see quick checklist. Follow your own repo steps exactly. Play POC video, GIF end to end. Validate all URLs, methods, and parameters names. Remove any real user data from POC files. Don't assume, document everything. Professionally etiquette. Never assume the triage team knows internal product quirks, documents all preconditions, required accounts, roles, cookies, headers, and environment, a prod staging. If an action need a specific state, so how to get there. Engineers move faster when you remove guesswork. Next step, what to include and how to package it. POC provide runnable artifacts so security team doesn't have to recreate your payloads. Useful POC assets, points, HTML file on CSRF that's fire on open. Next, minimal script or curl commands for APIs. Next, short screen recording, 30 to 60 seconds, showing the entire exploit flow. GIF for quick verification and larger video for full concept. Next, any request response bodies saved as .txt curl commands. Next, readme.txt explaining how to run each file. Safety rules for POC, use only test accounts. Next, avoid destructive payloads. Zip POC with readme and include run introduction. Label every POC file clearly. Example, POC CSRF open in browser.html. POC API change password curl.txt. If a POC requires specific headers and cookies, include them. Describe accepted response codes and the file observable effect. Example के don't head okay, user B, password change, login succeed, etc. impact and attack scenario, how to write it well. So impact, this is not severity, it's the story how to would a malicious actor actually exploiting this in the wild. Answer clearly here, point to point. Let's see. First point, what can attacker do? Account takeover, data leak, privilege expression. Second, what preconditions are required? Next, can it be scaled? Say automation या chaining. Next, business impact, who is affected and how badly. States, how to read them and what to do next. Platforms, use standard status, know them and act. Need more info, providing missing curl commands, headers, pull request, response pair or additional screenshots. Informative, not a secret issue, often low risk policy. Link these to higher impact findings if possible. Duplicate, someone else reported the same bug first, look for variant or higher impact chaining. Report is not applicable or intended behavior, review your step and move on. Behavior tip, if TAs ask questions, respond quickly and politely. Rapid, clear replies improve your reputation and likelihood of reward. Okay, let's see the end. Quick final checklist before submitting. Preconditions, steps, POC, impact and mitigations, professional tone, practice this workflow and your acceptance rate are and earnings will improve. Like, comment and say, like, comment